Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is how approachable are you? Ladies and gentlemen, when you join an organization for the first time, then for initial few years, your success depends on your technical skills. But when you gain a certain experience, everything reverses. Your success starts depending on your people skills and not on your technical skills. That's why being approachable is very crucial. Whatever responsibilities have been given to you by the organization, there are certain tasks associated with that. And you are doing tasks for the people of the organization, for your seniors, for your superiors, for the owners of the organization ultimately. Why a person actually works in any organization? If you realize this thing thoroughly, you will find that you are actually working for people. You are working for the owner of your organization. Your owner of the organization has got certain business and he has employed certain people in his industry according to their caliber to support his business. And when we support business, we have to deal with people. As I have already mentioned, as you grow higher inside any organization, your experience increases. Your success depends on your people skills. How effectively you are able to communicate with people and how much time you devote to crucial people, that is very important. That's why your people skills should always be good. By being approachable, I mean to say that your personality should be such that people should not hesitate while talking to you. People should not hesitate while talking to you in any way. That's why it is important that your personality should be jolly. Your personality should be good. Always keep a smile on your face. Always greet people politely. Always deal with everyone inside the organization politely, be it your junior, be it your senior, be it some outside vendor and distributor of the organization. Be it anyone, whomsoever you are dealing with on daily basis, always deal with them politely. And the second crucial thing is, when you are face to face with a person or when you are talking on telephone with a person, pay your full attention on that particular task. Don't keep any other thing in your mind. Because if you keep any other thing in your mind and if you ignore the person right in front of you, it will spoil your reputation as a professional. And whatever services you are providing within an organization, you are not the only person in the world who provides that kind of service. Remember that. Whatever you are doing, you are not the only person in the world who is doing that particular task. There are so many other people like you. So if a person is not able to get any kind of help from you, he will go to some other person like you, who is having same knowledge and same caliber as you, but who is having more better people skills than you. Ladies and gentlemen, whatever knowledge you are having, whatever qualification you are having, it is your personal matter. It becomes public only if by your caliber you start helping other people. And if by your caliber you are not helping other people, there is no meaning of your qualification. Doesn't matter how much qualified you are. Even if you are a PhD holder, it has no value if you are not utilizing your knowledge in dealing with people appropriately. If you are ignoring people all the time, if you think that people waste your time, if you think that you are not finding time for yourself because of people, it will put down your reputation. It will put down reputation of your entire organization because of you. That's why it is very important. Try to enhance your people skills. Try to pay full attention to whomsoever you are face to face right now. While talking face to face, while talking on telephone, try to pay your full attention to the person who is right now in front of you. That person is the most important person for you right now. And nothing else is important. If you start developing this people skill in your personality, very soon your organization will be on top, your designation will be on top, and moreover, your salary will be on top. Ladies and gentlemen, realize this fact that why people pay anyone. Why people pay any service provider? Just because he is providing services to the people? No. Because he is also maintaining personal goodwill with people whom he is providing those services. Maintaining personal goodwill is very important. Maintaining personal positive relationship is very important. And it is even more important than concentrating on core technical skills and core technical knowledge. Knowledge is fine, knowledge is good, but without people skills, knowledge has no meaning. Because it is very straightforward concept that after gaining knowledge, where will you utilize that knowledge? Of course, you will utilize that knowledge for upliftment of people. There are certain people who need your services, who need services of the people who are having same qualification level as you. So, what is the ultimate role of your qualification in corporate world? To serve people who want people like you. So, don't just concentrate on selling your products, highlighting your market. Concentrate on developing people skills. Try to pay full attention to the people, whomsoever you are talking, whomsoever you are dealing with on telephone, online, offline, whatever mode is there. By whatever mode you are interacting with people, try to be very polite, try to listen effectively. Unless the other person completes his talk fully, don't leave the premises. Try to show respect towards people, and in return people will show respect towards you. And when people start showing respect towards you, your business grows, ladies and gentlemen. So never think that business grows only on the basis of technical skills, only on the basis of perfect knowledge. No. Business exactly grows with people, by the people. It is the people who support your business. Otherwise, there are so many other players in the market like you. Why people don't support them and why they support you? Because they have a personal bonding with you. You need to establish personal bonding with everyone if you want your business to grow. Selling and purchasing product is not important. Developing relationship is more important. If the relationship is good, your product will always be purchased. Your services will always be taken by the customers. If relationship building is bad, no one will buy your product. No one will support your business. Doesn't matter even if you are producing the most authentic product in the world. Still, people will not associate with you. So always remember, try to pay attention to the person right now in front of you. Try to pay attention to the person who seeks your service. People seek services because you are having talent. And if you ignore them, people will ignore you and your talent will be permanently ignored in corporate world and you will be nowhere very soon. So please develop people skills. It is more important than technical skills. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.